Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto adapter. This is Mini 2. Here is the user manual. Here we have a USB adapter, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it right there. And now it's going to get the info right there, enable and Apple CarPlay. We're going to go to our phone. It is asking me to pair it. Allow, and now connect to CarPlay. Now the CarPlay is right there. Let's go ahead and try to go to Maps. We're able to use the Apple CarPlay without cable. As you see, there is no cable, and here is our phone. We can listen to music without any interruption, and it's working fine. Let's go to main menu. We have everything right over here. Right there. I can definitely suggest this product is because it is very small and portable, and you have USB A to USB-C adapter. Make sure your car is not compatible with wireless CarPlay. If it's wireless, it's not gonna work. This is supposed to be wired ones. That's why we're changing it to wireless.